Come test drive the 2017 Mazda 6. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Exceptionally stylish and fun to drive, the Mazda 6 has quality, dependability, and reliability at the heart of its design. This acclaimed sports sedan appeals to your senses and your wallet. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.